Planning to organize an event anytime soon? Then you'd have a lot to look after. After all, managing and organizing a successful event is not an easy job. To help you out, here is a checklist of best practices that can help manage your event better. To start with, be very clear about your event goals. For example, are you looking for sales leads? Do you want to spread brand awareness? Do you want to promote a product or an upcoming launch? Are you looking for fundraising? Having a well-defined goal helps you know what to do to achieve it. To better understand it, let's take an example. Say you are organizing an event to raise funds for a cause. The first thing you need to do is create a list of the resources needed. This may include budget, guest list, venue, decoration, catering, security, and even technical setup, such as mics and projectors. Once done, you need to start budget planning. It should accommodate all the rent and charges for the venue, food, equipment, invitations, and every other expense. So make sure you check the budgets of recent events, vendors, and inflation rates to come up with the best estimated pricing. Now that you know the budget and the scale of the event you can afford, work on your guest list and check their availability. In case you don't have a predefined list, you can work on getting registrations. To get them, you can leverage tools such as Ticket Generator. What's great is that it doesn't only help you get registrations but also automatically generates event tickets against them. With these tickets, only authorized guests get entry to your venue. So security is another thing you can take off your list. Lastly, make sure you do a thorough risk assessment in advance. This is especially true if you are inviting a VIP or a celebrity to the event. The risk assessment will help you take necessary security measures to ensure an A-grade event. For example, in case of situations such as fire or earthquake, the venue should have multiple exit points. Also, there should be signboards guiding guests to the exit points during an emergency. This way, you can reduce the likelihood of crowd crush or stampede. That's it. These are the major event management best practices. For following best practices, you need smart event management tools. They help you generate event tickets, ensure event security, help with event branding, and even provide event analytics. In case you need one, you can check out Ticket Generator. The link is in the bio. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.